Well, how on the children to do this year, the Queen Quet had from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation, taking a little bit of journey through this young museum that I fight for. And I even been on one of the last of the design team for this year thing and all of that kind of thing. We made them in them finals, but we ain't the one that end up with the contract for design them, unfortunately, and things like that. But I am at the National Museum of African American History and Culture in Washington, D.C., and throughout the entire place, there is Gullah Geechee. We up in your chillin' and things like that. Now, I wanted to especially start at this point talking to you because many of you who watch Gullah Geechee TV will remember the day that this door of Esau Jenkins' bus was celebrated, that it was going to be taken from Charleston and brought here to Washington, D.C. So y'all can see they taking care of everything now. They ain't just throw them somewhere and all of that. Just carry me, you ain't gonna see them. So this is just one of the many aspects of our history, our heritage and culture that you will see if you come and visit here. And when is a better time to do it other than Black History, African Heritage Month? But for me, Black History be 365, 366, 24/7, on a chillin' and thing like that. Because see, Gullah Geechee, the living Black History. This year the we story. And Hunter chillin' know, if Hunter did with me, Hunter going know this year the what going on. Peace, blessings, stay strong, and celebrate your culture every day.
If you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. Whose side you leaning on?
Leaning on the Lord's side.
Whose side you leaning on?
Leaning on the Lord's side.
Whose side you leaning on?
Leaning on the Lord's side.
Whose side you leaning on?
Leaning on the Lord's side.
Mm-hmm.